Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will know about the communication, its process and types. So let us start with the meaning of communication. What is communication? Communication comes from a Latin word communicus or communicare, which means to share. To share what? To share information, ideas, feelings, emotions to another. So what is communication? Communication is sharing ideas, information, feelings, emotions to another, and it is a two-way process. What is the definition of communication? Communication is the act of process of transmission that is usually called communication. Now, there are three major parts in human face-to-face communication. They are body language, voice tonality, and words. According to a research, in face-to-face communication, 55% of impact is determined by body language, posture, gesture, and eye contact, 38% by the tone of voice, and only 7% by the content of words used in communication process. Now, what are the types of communication? So, communication are of two types. Number one, verbal. Number two, non-verbal. Verbal communication is when a dialogue is done between two or more entities under which oral and written communication takes place. Now, non-verbal communication is the process of communication through sending and receiving wordless message. Such messages can be communicated through gesture, body language or posture, facial expression, and eye contact. Non-verbal communication plays a key role in every person's day-to-day life, from employment to another works. It includes pictures, drawings, charts, signs, symbol, body language, sound, and visuals. Now, the process of communication. There are 7 steps in the process of communication. Those 7 steps are sender. Sender is the person who sends the person or who starts the communication. Then comes encoding. Encoding is the encryption of the message. Then message. Message is that is idea, emotion, information that can be a message. Then channels. There are 4 types of channels: upward, downward, horizontal, diagonal. Upward communication starts from lower level and goes up to the higher level. Downward communication follows the hierarchical order from higher to the lower level, and horizontal communication takes place between employees of equal ranks and sometimes among the peer groups. And diagonal communication, it happens across all official cadres and no hierarchy is followed. This is also known as gray point communication. This is a mode of informal but unofficial but effective way of communication. Then comes, after channel comes receiver. Receiver is the person who receives the message. Then decoding. Decoding is the uh, decoding of the message, reading the encrypted message. And finally comes feedback. Feedback is the very important step because of the feedback, the sender get to know whether the message is successful, that communication is successful or not. So that's all about the communication, meaning, definition, types, and process. That's all for today. Thank you so much.